Hey guys, we are back again for another travel video. And this time we will be looking at a country that most people consider one of the best holiday destinations anywhere around the globe. That country is Australia. So, in today's travel guide, we will be looking into the various aspects that make Australia such a desirable travel destination for many backpackers and travel enthusiasts around the world, and when is the best time to visit Australia. To delve even further, we will also explore some of the more fun and exciting things you can do in Australia. Without dragging any further, let's begin. Firstly, let's understand the climate in Australia. Australia, the world's sixth largest country, is a land of climatic diversity, from the tropical paradises of the north to the temperate south. To truly appreciate the best time to visit, we must first understand the country's climate. The climate in Australia is influenced by its vast size and location in the southern hemisphere. It's a land of 4 distinct seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. However, the timing and characteristics of these seasons vary significantly depending on the region. The north experiences the wet and dry seasons, while the south sees more temperate changes. These climatic differences significantly impact the best times to visit. To plan your trip effectively, it's crucial to know what each season brings in different parts of the country. Let's dive deeper into the 4 seasons in Australia. Summer, which runs from December to February in Australia, offers warm and even hot temperatures in the southern parts, making it an ideal time for beach vacations and outdoor activities. However, in the northern regions, such as Queensland, this is the wet season, characterized by heavy rainfall, high humidity, and the potential for tropical cyclones. Autumn, from March to May, is a fantastic time for many parts of Australia. In the south, the weather is mild and pleasant, making it perfect for sightseeing and outdoor adventures. The autumn season is also ideal for wine tasting and outdoor exploration. Winter, which spans from June to August, offers cooler temperatures in the southern cities like Melbourne and Sydney, with occasional rainfall. The alpine regions, on the other hand, receive snowfall, making it a popular destination for winter sports. In the northern regions, the weather remains warm and dry. Spring, from September to November, provides a great climate for outdoor activities and hiking. It's also the time when wildflowers bloom in various regions, particularly in Western Australia. In the northern parts of the country, spring marks the end of the dry season, and waterfalls and rivers are at their most impressive. Sydney, Australia's largest and most iconic city, offers a diverse range of experiences. When is the ideal time to explore this vibrant metropolis? Sydney is a city that shines year-round, but for the perfect blend of comfortable weather and vibrant cultural events, late spring and early autumn are considered the ideal times to visit. In late spring, which falls in October and November, Sydney enjoys mild temperatures, making it perfect for outdoor activities and beach trips. Early autumn, in March and April, maintains the pleasant weather and offers the advantage of fewer tourists, allowing you to explore the city more comfortably. Summer, while warm and sunny, can also be crowded, especially during the Christmas and New Year holidays. Be prepared for higher accommodation costs during this period. Melbourne, the capital of Victoria, is known for its cultural diversity, art, and cuisine. But what's the best time to savor this city and its surroundings? Melbourne offers something for every season, so the best time to visit depends on your personal preferences. Summer, from December to February, is the peak season with numerous festivals and events taking place. This is the time to explore the city's lively culture. Autumn, from March to May, is when Melbourne's autumn foliage is at its best, offering a picturesque backdrop for your exploration. The weather is mild, and it's perfect for outdoor adventures. Winter, from June to August, brings cooler temperatures, and while the southern cities might experience occasional rainfall, it's a great time to enjoy the indoor arts and cultural scene. Spring, from September to November, is when Melbourne's gardens and parks come alive with blooming flowers. The city offers a pleasant climate, making it ideal for outdoor activities and exploring the local culture. The Great Barrier Reef in Queensland is one of the world's natural wonders. But when is the best time to explore this underwater paradise? To experience the Great Barrier Reef at its best, plan your visit during the dry season, which runs from May to October. During this time, the weather is pleasant, the skies are clear, and underwater visibility is excellent, making it perfect for snorkeling and diving. This is the peak tourist season, so it's advisable to book accommodations and activities well in advance. On the other hand, the wet season, from November to April, has its own charm. While there may be occasional rainfall and higher humidity, the water temperature is warmer and marine life is abundant. This is a great time for experienced divers and those who want to experience a less crowded version of the reef. However, keep in mind the possibility of tropical storms. The Red Centre and Uluru are iconic Australian destinations. What's the ideal time to witness their majesty? The Red Centre and Uluru, with their stunning landscapes and rich indigenous history, are best experienced during the shoulder seasons. Autumn, from March to May, and spring, from September to November, offer the most comfortable temperatures for hiking and sightseeing. In contrast, the Australian summer, from December to February, can be exceptionally hot, with daytime temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. This can make outdoor activities less enjoyable and even potentially dangerous. Therefore, it's advisable to plan your visit to the Red Centre during the milder seasons. The top end of Australia, in the Northern Territory, is known for its national parks and unique wildlife. But the wet season can be challenging. How should travelers navigate this? The top end, including the Northern Territory, offers a unique Australian experience with its national parks and indigenous culture. The best time to explore this region is during the dry season, which spans from May to October. During this period, the weather is pleasant, the skies are clear, and various events and festivals take place, making it an ideal time for tourists to visit. In contrast, the wet season, from November to April, is marked by heavy rainfall, high humidity, and the potential for tropical cyclones. While this season may offer lush landscapes and fewer tourists, it also comes with challenges, such as some areas being inaccessible due to flooding. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the climate and plan your visit accordingly. Western Australia offers a range of experiences, from its stunning coastline to the rugged outback. But what are the seasonal highlights? Western Australia, with its diverse landscapes, offers seasonal highlights that vary across the state. In spring, from September to November, the southwestern part of the state is adorned with vibrant wildflowers, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Summer, from December to February, is ideal for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts along the southwestern coast. However, in the northern regions, summer can bring high temperatures and tropical rains, so travelers should be prepared for regional differences. Autumn, from March to May, is a great time to explore cities like Perth, as the weather is mild and there are fewer crowds. Winter, from June to August, offers excellent opportunities for whale watching along the southern coast, as these months coincide with the migration of humpback whales. Tasmania, Australia's island state, promises a year-round treasure trove of natural beauty. What makes it so special? Tasmania, with its pristine natural beauty and outdoor adventures, is a year-round destination that caters to a wide range of interests. Summer, from December to February, provides warm weather and is perfect for outdoor activities, such as hiking and wildlife spotting. The coastal areas of Tasmania are particularly popular during this season. Autumn, from March to May, is a time when the island's forests and parks are painted in vibrant shades of red and gold, making it a scenic delight for travelers. The weather is mild, and it's an excellent time for outdoor exploration. Winter, from June to August, may be cooler, but it's a fantastic season for indoor activities such as exploring art galleries, tasting local cuisine, and immersing oneself in Tasmania's cultural scene. Spring, from September to November, is when the island comes alive with blooming flowers and wildlife. It's a wonderful time for nature enthusiasts to explore Tasmania's natural beauty. Navigating Australia's vast expanse requires some preparation. Let's explore some essential tips for a successful journey. Planning and booking in advance is crucial, especially during peak tourist seasons. Familiarizing yourself with Australia's visa requirements and ensuring that all necessary documents are in order is vital to avoid any last-minute complications. When packing for your trip, consider the season and region you're visiting to make sure you have appropriate clothing and gear. Traveling in Australia often involves long distances between cities and destinations. This vast country requires careful planning of travel times, so be prepared for potentially long road trips or flights. Moreover, it's important to respect the unique wildlife and natural environment of Australia. Following leave no trace principles will help protect the natural beauty of the country for future generations. Additionally, understanding the local customs and indigenous cultures of the areas you plan to visit can enhance your travel experience and show respect for the local way of life. Australia boasts a diverse range of events and festivals. So, how can they enhance your travel experience? Australia hosts a multitude of events and festivals throughout the year, adding depth and cultural richness to your travel experience. The Sydney Festival, taking place in January, is a month-long celebration of music, arts, and performances. If you're a fan of comedy, the Melbourne International Comedy Festival in March to April is one of the largest comedy festivals globally. For those who love vibrant light displays and music, Vivid Sydney from May to June is a captivating festival that illuminates Sydney's landmarks with mesmerizing light shows and music. If you're planning to celebrate the new year in style, Sydney's New Year's Eve on December 31st is renowned for its spectacular fireworks and celebrations at Sydney Harbour. For a more culturally immersive experience, the Jungu Festival in April at Uluru celebrates Indigenous culture and arts. The Royal Queensland Show, also known as the Brisbane Eka in August, is a popular agricultural show with rides, food, and entertainment. And in Perth, the Perth International Arts Festival, taking place from February to March, showcases international and local arts and performances, offering travelers an opportunity to engage with the vibrant arts and culture scene in Western Australia. Just to recap, we've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the best time to travel to Australia, understanding its diverse climate, regional differences, and what each season offers in terms of experiences. By considering these factors and the specific regions you wish to visit, you can plan a memorable trip to the land down under that suits your interests and preferences. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Australia's best travel times. Whether you're dreaming of the Great Barrier Reef, the rugged outback, or the bustling cities, Australia has something to offer every traveler, year-round. So, start planning your adventure today, and until next time, happy travels!